For landlords, nothing can cause one to be very anxious than inspecting the unit after the tenant vacates the place. In this episode, I will show you this one bedroom at the Rise Makati where it was handed over about 15 months ago. Then in just 1 month, it was furnished completely. The furniture were purchased out of convenience and accessibility. There was no interior design involved. Then after 1 week, a tenant rented the place for 1 year. Now fast forward to 12 months after, this is how the unit looked. Watch this video.
At the kitchen, you can see all those trash, cookware, and other utensils are just left behind. Then at the sink, there are some things I'm not sure of what they are, but they just left it like that. Then look at the walls, a lot of splashes from cooking. Then they still have this condiments. Then here you can see they left it all like this. Cigarette there's a coin. Okay, so cigarette cases. What else? Then here at the living area, you can see the cigarette butt. Okay, the walls are just pretty much damaged. There's a crack also. So this could be a cosmetic crack since it's vertical. The crack is vertical. Then you can do some paint retouches on that one. Then here, okay, there are pillows and okay, the door. Somehow the door is still functioning properly. Okay, the sliding door. Okay, then the wardrobe. You can still see all their personal things are here. There's a weighing scale there. Then the tenant's clothes are just left like this. Then what's that? This is the vanity. Okay. Then the curtains are taped in the middle. Don't think they washed this for a year. Then the bed and their clothes hanger are still here. Okay. Then what else? Okay, so that's the dining set. Let's go. Oh, look at this switch. The light switch are all stained. Okay. Then let's open the freezer. Okay, there you go. It's defrosting already. Then inside, still some items that they just left like that, as if like they're in a hotel. Okay, now going to the toilet and the bathroom. So there you go. That's how they left the unit after a year. Okay, there. That's the water closet. Okay, some stain. A lot of cleaning here. Then the drain. And okay, what's that? So they changed the light in the shower area. Okay, so basically this is how the tenant left the unit when they terminated the contract after a year. And there would be a lot of cleaning that has to be done. The cabinets are still okay, thank God. Okay, there's some plates there. See? Condiments, okay. Then here, okay, look at the stain at the handle. Okay, when you open this is where the washing machine is. I haven't tried it, but I hope everything is still okay. Then, okay, there you go. So that's it. we will have a lot of cleaning to do, and then after this, let's see how we can improve the unit. So there you go. All right.
So it's kind of frustrating because you would hope that the tenant is able to take good care of your unit. But in the real world, that does not happen. That's why it's very crucial for landlords to request for more than 1 month of security deposit. In this case, I was able to ask for 2 months. It's your protection in a way. If you would need to repaint your unit, if you'd need to do some restoration works, or let's just say the tenant has damaged your furniture or left some of the appliances defective, or worst comes to worst, there are bills that were unpaid, you'd need some funds to do that. Okay? But let's just say in a magical world, the tenant is able to give back your unit to a very good condition, then there should be no reason why you should not return the full amount of security deposit. Okay? So thank you for watching. In my next episode, I will show you how I'm able to restore back this unit to what it was before, and I've done some improvements. I did some interior design touches here. Okay, so please like and subscribe so that you could get notified when that video is ready. In fact, you can see at my back some of the preview. So again, thank you for watching and have a good day to all.